So this is the live feed to the volcano in La Palma, and the main eruption point is there just to the right of the smoky dome. The lava field where it drains is here, around this area, and at this point I'm going to go down to the bottom right, because in about 30 seconds a UFO comes up from the bottom right corner of the screen and goes up above the volcano. I've watched this 40 minutes each side of this sighting, and boulders being chucked out by the volcano land on the actual mound itself. This is coming up the volcano side. Any second now, you get 4 seconds. There it goes. Up it goes, up to the top of the volcano, out of sight. And there's the volcano. Now we can see the orange flow of lava in the centre of the screen. And above that is where most of the fumes and boulders are being chucked out. And then you've got the smoky mound on the left, and above that in 25 seconds will come the UFO back down from the centre of the screen and veer off to the left. You've got 15 seconds, and this will come in centre there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And it goes off to the left. It doesn't land on the slope itself, just flies out of screen. This isn't the first UFO that's filmed here. Some guy, and I'll leave a link in the bottom, some guy filmed one that actually interacts with the lava and the stuff that's been spewing out. Check that one out in the link below.